Hey, hi, how are you? I hope you're good. Here, I have an activity for you to do while you're at home. What you will need for this activity is a paper, scissors, a pencil, pen or color pens, or just colors, and a straw to blow. So, what we will do here is a caterpillar, as I said, and what you have to do is take the paper and with 2 fingers make a mark. And then with the color pen or with a pencil, you make a line. It don't have to be perfect. Don't worry about that. Then you cut. You can do it yourself, or you can say to your mom, dad, brother, and sister to help you. It's okay. It's just fine. What you need is this. Doesn't have to be perfect. Don't worry about that. Then, what you have to do is fold into the middle, like this. Do you see? Fold into the middle. Then, you have to fold it again. This is a difficult part. Don't worry. I'll do it another time. This part and this part. Perfect. Like this. I repeat it. First, the middle. Then, this part and this part. And then, do it again. This part and this part has to be something like this. Do you see? Okay. Then, that's all. The caterpillar is done. Do you see? Now, it's color time. So, what you need to do is maybe put some eyes. Let's do some eyes on this one. 1 big eye, 2 big eyes, and maybe a nose, and a mouth. I will do it with purple. Okay, do you see? Perfect. Once you have this, simply you can put it like this. I have this, for example, is another one that I did, and you can make a rice. So, we put on the line, and they have to go like this, here. And it moves! It's perfect! So, I hope you like it. I hope you do it. If you do it, you can make a picture of it or a video. I will be happy to see it. And I hope you enjoy it. Bye!